Cut an arm's length of thread and insert one end through the eye of your needle. Then make a knot by rolling the thread off your fingers and pull down to tighten. Now we'll be sewing on the hook. This hook had already been partially sewed on, so I'm just going to complete that process. We're going to create a knot by bringing the needle through the loops as shown. Cut thread and then knot again. Now sew the loop to the other side as shown. Now make another knot by putting the needle through the loops of the thread. Cut the thread, and the job is finished. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day. Be happy.